quick to Dollar General. You got a bonus today. So, child, like I said, today is April the 4th. The Dollar General truck outside. I said, oh, let me run up in here because they know me too. And she was like, Kel, the truck just pulled up. Come back Friday morning. Child, when I got in there was a guy already in line and had a whole cart full of the disinfectant wipes. I said, brother, do you mind let me get at least one? He said, okay, ma'am. So these were $6, and you get a total of 150. So you're actually paying $3 a piece, $6. I don't really think that this was a absolutely bargain, $6. But you can't find them nowhere. So you got to do what you got to do, and this is emergency, so I paid the $6. Went ahead and just paid the $6 for them. And y'all know y'all ain't been able to find this. If y'all have, God bless you. Alcohol, 91%. Big one. The 32 ounce for $2. Now they had a lot of these, but I only grabbed one because I didn't, want to be, I didn't, let somebody else get them. And this is great to make your own hand sanitizer. You just use this, get you some fresh aloe vera, and peroxide, mix it all up, put it in the spray bottle, and hold on, I'll show you what I'm talking about. So, this is my mixture that I made probably about two weeks ago. It's fresh aloe vera leaf. I just cut it, scraped all the aloe vera. I put it in my bullet, blended it, put the measurements for the alcohol, and added peroxide. And this is my spray bottle. And I said, I don't know if this gonna work, child. Oh, you can smell the alcohol. My husband was like, yeah, that's hand sanitizer. So I'm in a routine right now where this is sitting right at my door. I wash down my screen door, my handles, and I wash my doorknobs. It's becoming obsessive because I work from home, but my husband is still going out to the plant where he works at. And this is for when my crazy brother come up here in his big wheel, and I keep telling him, don't come in here. I'll spray you. Little humor for all of us, but it works. It works. So if you can get a hold of some aloe vera plants, make your own hand sanitizer. And another thing that you can use for hand sanitizer, found this. I'm not sure if it was at the Dollar Tree or at Dollar General. Do not quote me. It may have been at Walmart, whatever. But if you could find the aloe vera soothing gel, get a container, squeeze some of this out, and just add your peroxide and your alcohol to it. And you got instant, I'm not going to open it because I'm not going to use it right now, but you have instant hand sanitizer. Remember, our ancestors never had any of these products. They handmade, they made everything for themselves, and we have to learn how to get back into the old ways so we can survive this virus. Well, I'm not gonna hold y'all. I appreciate y'all stopping by, and if you're a new subscriber, thank you. Welcome to the Fabulous If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It channel. If you know somebody who you may think would be interested in these type of videos where I give you tips, show you the deals, how to get out there and get your stuff, make sure you hit the subscribe button, give me a like, leave me a comment down below, and let me know that you're new to my family. And always remember, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Y'all stay safe. Please don't be out here in these stores if you don't have to go.